Hi, my name is Mission and I'm one of the counselors here at Palms Middle School. So we had over 400 students out here. You guys were quick in and out. You helped wrangle our students through and you guys did such a good job making sure everything was organized, on time, on task, and we got the kids ready to go and they were so excited for the photo, which is great to see. I think these photos are so important because this is the kind of memories that will last a lifetime. You guys are going to look back on these photos in 20, 30, 5, 10 years and you're going to see all the friends and the peers that you were with in these last 3 years, and so it's going to be a good time and a really good chance to make that memory with everyone that's around you. Make such good memories and you guys are going to go on to do great things in your future. So really good job, class of 2024. Congratulations, you did it, you culminated.